So, the nightmare situation for any car owner is to be far from home with a car that won't start, so a dead battery. So what should you do in this situation? So before we get to that part, the key fob, right? This thing runs on a battery. Every car has a little key fob with a key actually inside it, retractable. A key, old school style. So you can actually go up to the car. This is a Honda. Keyhole is right here and unlock your car. So even with that key fob, you can get in the car with the key itself, and then use the key fob, even with the dead battery, put it right near the start button, because there's a sensor right by the button over there that senses this is your key, this is your car, and starts up the car. What if your battery is dead or on its way out? There are some things to watch out for, some signs. Look at your dashboard first of all when you put your key in the ignition. The battery light should go away after starting the engine, as this is when the car tests for battery health markers. And other indicators of weak battery include, dim headlights, a hard engine start, things like these. They're all pretty obvious. What happens if you don't want to have your battery die on you by surprise? You want to predict when your battery is in good health or bad health. You can buy one of these cheap or not so cheap multimeters. Test your battery every week or month or year or whatever you want, so you can have a good idea about when it might die. A good battery in good health should measure around 12.6 volts. However, DIY prevention measures only can get you so far. So the easiest way to know for sure is to get your battery tested by Century Battery. It's free, and all you have to do is roll up to any Century Battery dealer to get yours professionally tested. But in life, stuff just happens. Sometimes you can't have enough preparation to know when your battery's gonna die. So what happens when it does? You'd be okay if your car is started, but getting it started is the hard part. Usually, all cars, or if you don't have one yet, you should get jumper cables. Trusty, trusted, cheap. And the thing is, you gotta get somebody to actually, borrow some charge from. That's gonna be a pain. But if you don't want all that hassle, you can get a jump start cable attached to a power bank. Now this is a really beefy power bank you can buy online or wherever you want. It's beefier because you can actually plug this in and jumpstart your car from a power bank. Got a little flashlight over here, little tiny jumper cable, so cute. Why wouldn't you keep this in your car? Either way, even if you do get your car started again, you'll be needing a new battery very, very soon. And the most direct way to solve this problem is to get your new battery to come to you. And thankfully, Century Battery Rescue is just a phone call or WhatsApp away, and we'll do exactly that. Century Battery Rescue offers battery delivery and roadside installation available nationwide. Century Battery has been serving Malaysians for more than 60 years with hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers. Just call 1-800-228-837 and share your car model and location, and then let Century Battery Rescue handle the rest.